Lucky Keys. Lucky Keys said revenge porn. Hello? The double standards in the country are sick my stomach. Imagine if Demarco went on a show and showed people X-rated pics of another woman. The entire country, especially over Twitter, would be livid. Lucky Keys, big up your blood class self. Imagine if a man stays so a girl goes to a man, she rate you. Mama rate the ground and walk pan. Zin? And the two want to get nasty one night and on the decide, yo, we're gonna bust a little flick tonight, you know. And mama go up on the blood clot knees. Have all your blood clot within her and I start deep throat that blood clot and you stay so. You stay so to blood clot. Mama look up on the camera, you know. Mama look up on the camera. Do all her mouth around her so wait up. Cause she go hard on the blood clot cocky. Blood clot, be a dribble like a little blood clot toothless baby. Lone dribble. Spit. Mama said, bleh. I want to stay so, woman. You have video blood clot. Mama deal with the thing. Wicked dog. 2-3 years down the line. Unna there again. And you come a road, come show that same video there. Mama blood clot deep throat the blood clot yabo. You're a batty boy. Yes. So what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Yeah, man. So you don't know the last video I made was about Demarco and Renee 630 situation. You understand what I say? And I'll say it again right now in this video, as I said before. I do not care about these two individual beef. I don't care about it. But what I care about is the double standards. You understand what I say? One can do something, but the other can't. When one do something, one get bashed, but when the other do it, they get praised. So right so, we know so Demarco they are threatening mama say, yo, mind my phone last, dog, tail. You understand? So mama do a full interview now, I show some type of receipt, some type of evidence of the dog doing something. We don't know him, do. You understand? But it sound like the dog there eat the fruit, the dog there do this, the dog there do that. But we don't know. And if whatever I do, I really don't give a fuck. But to be honest with you, I'm just here to point out the double standards. So this is the interview that Renee 630 did with the Fix. Big up the Fix. You don't know one link. Yeah, man, you see me? So here we're gonna play it real quick.
Say boy, you have picture. Show me picture.
Of course, I have my picture.
Show me picture right now.
I'm gonna open up my phone.
Show me picture right now.
So I'm showing this.
Show me picture.
When I go, she said me not lie, you know, me not tell lie, you know. Cause me mind my lyrics must say, in fans might not believe, but if it make me get grieved, I might expose the picture was come.
Oh my God.
Who first one?
Me want to see first.
Let me line up that's all.
Hello, Nara, come.
Bumbuckler!
Why you have that photo still? Why you have that photo still? Why? You are waiting on it. You are waiting for this opportune moment.
That could have been anybody. You see me that?
You say my receipt. Wait a
I know
minute.
him alone look like Big Joe.
What, you know, see the little bleach out. Remember say them down there is bleach out him ear up on the top. You know, see it a while ago?
Oh, yeah,
Come like, you know, see it. So the man that right there. So I do the things them.
The man that right there say I do the things them. Again, we don't know where I do, but the fact that mama can come on a big interview that is known all over Jamaica and the world. You understand? Because I'm sure no so them are fans worldwide. She come on an interview displaying receipts of them doing sexual acts. Now, Jamaica, I ask you, if this was a man that went on Nightly Fix showing a video footage or a picture of Renee 630, D'Angel, some other dancehall, female dancehall artists, exposing them, the minute them done with the interview there will be police outside of the goddamn door waiting for them. Again, let me say this. I don't give a fuck personally about the beef between Demarco and Renee 630. I was not there when the beef created, and I will not be there when the beef done. But all I'm here to do is to point out the double standards, gentlemen. You understand? And if you think me feel away alone, and I me alone feel away, like I read some comments. I'm read my own first. Me say, on the Fix Instagram post, I say them thing in high school settings. I not even show my bridging them the endless front in my phone calls. And me alone for see that. And me alone for see that. When girls spread out the blood clot bubble, take out them finger out of them hole, see the ushy gushy on them finger, breasts, everything. Girl take video in a backers position. I will never. God, my dog, I see you down upon a blood clot, girl. Watch out with that. Bro, them think they're high school settings, bad G. High school settings. Immature minds. Do them something there. Zin? And you know what I get for this? When I say your high school settings that, Mama black me, I get a big black. Mama black me like how Elephant Man black me. Yeah, man, I get a black for that, man. But I know me alone feel some type of way. As she and Rose, this is a Bobby right here. Beautiful smile, by the way, Bobby. As a woman, I know every woman me like. That's a woman right there. Not up all in the fucker, mama do. Our next person say, the great Jojo, if it was a man who did that, we would never hear the end of it. What was the reason? Now, some people have said the reason why I should do that is because the G up on the phone, on live, I said, dog tail, don't make my phone last. Don't make my phone last. So some people are trying to use that to justify her actions. Saying you're going to do something and actually doing it is two different things. That's a number one. We don't know how Jamaican people reach to the level where they can equate saying something and actually doing it. People are justifying mama action. I say, yeah, man, that forget because if they're on live, I talk about him will expose. So him talking about he will expose is the same thing as her exposing. Wow, this world is fucked. Now, we see that bad G here. Zin? We can't even see him name. I don't like y'all. Men, that's why uno fe know who uno a dogo with. Bro, I tell all of my brethren them this, bro. Bad G, you see, if me personally see you with a girl who I know no good for you and she not click well with the youths them, bro, yeah, your girl can go on in a bad G. Bro, and every girl perfect, brother. So them girl are crosses, brother. And if me can spot that and the other dog them can spot that, and you can spot that pussy rule you, and you're weak, I don't want to tell you as a friend, bro. You have to know who you're there with. You have to know who you fuck with, bro. Because this probably happened 5, 6, how much years ago when Puppy Tail come out? Right? Over blood clot. What, 10 years now? And you tell me, say you still have evidence, receipts of the dog or do some kind of act where adults do. I don't think him do it still, but you don't know the thing, go. That's crazy. No, we have one boss lady, TT, said, I bet if it was Demarco doing this or any other man, the world would have bring them down. But she as a female can be exposing the man on the internet. One boss lady, TT, big up her blood clot self. See? No, man, this is madness, fam. Fam, this is madness. See? Somebody else say, Princess Meikle. I will never understand. No, Prince Smichael. Prince Smichael. My bad. I don't know where I get princess from. I will never understand Jamaican female. They require a man to go down on them, but also use it to diss a man. It's weird. That's why I'm telling them, say, yo, watching the blood color mouth, watch what I put in the mouth, brother. Some of them girls will sink on the bro for no reason. Yeah, you think you're on them good, but them not get what them want. Them not get the relationship. Them feel you style them some type of way. Bro, they're going to use it against you, bro. Yeah, tell you that. Now we have Caramel here. This is a woman. She said, these things are exactly why so much gruesome things happen to women lately. I understand that you people diss each other, then it becomes lyrical. Why bring a phone to show folks whether it's for clout or real? Two, I want to have on a craft as artists. Do your little live. Troll and make the songs. Why go to this level like a foolish, bitter Betty? Don't you consider that this could go way left? Like, how do you let the public think that you have a pic of someone eating you? An artist in our violent society. This woman that makes sense. Not saying if a woman do this, she feel dead. No. But that's a perfect world. And these people are not perfect. Some of them man are unhinged. Them crazy. So you have to know what you do, mama. Were you thinking that one of his fans or family might take it personal? This is not good for you and your profession. No matter what you said, this is low. No matter what was said, this is low. I'm sure you said all you could say in the song and should just continue making more and try to bust from the clash. I said to the host, this is good for your show. Wise move, but them adults, you fool, you fuck. And we cannot be mad at Nara and Ari and the Fix. Big up the Fix. They are just doing their jobs, interviewing people in the height of this clout grabbing, view grabbing situation right here. Because everybody who's making a video of this situation, I don't think give a fuck. They just report on it to bring views. And that's what I'm doing. She made a great point. Why would you put yourself in this position to potentially be harmed for your decision? To go on a public interview and try to expose somebody like that. What if a family member or a friend or a fam or a fan took it personal and come do something? Nobody should do nothing to this girl. But police must lock you up, mama. You must get locked up, man. You have to get locked up. Because if it was a man, you would have get locked up. Big man thing. Tell the truth, people. So, this is right here. Why the fuck is this? Lucky Keys. Lucky Keys said, revenge porn. Hello? The double standards in the country are sick my stomach. Imagine if Demarco went on a show and showed people X-rated pics of another woman. The entire country, especially over Twitter, would be livid. Lucky Keys, big up your blood class self. Imagine if a man stays so a girl goes to woman, she rate you. Mama rate the ground and walk pan. Zin? And the two want to get nasty one night and on the decide, yo, bust a little flick tonight, you know. And mama go up on the blood clot knees. Have all your blood clot within her and I start deep throat that blood clot and you stay so. You stay so to blood clot. Mama look up on the camera, you know. Mama look up on the camera. Do all her mouth around her so wake up. Cause she go hard on the blood clot cocky. Blood clot, be a dribble like a little blood clot toothless baby. Lone dribble. Spit. Mama said, bleh. I want to stay so, woman. You have video blood clot, mama deal with the thing. Wicked dog. 2-3 years down the line. Another day again. And you come a road, come show that same video there, mama blood clot deep throat the blood clot yaba. You're a batty boy. You are mama mash up. Another day again, and you come a road, come expose mama. You're a batty boy. Anybody who expose an ex-sex partner, you're a lame. You are a lame. Eh? That's madness, man. Lucky Keys, big up yourself. This, oh my God. This is that girl, love a girl gone to bed. Hey, I am Kayla said, this is why men don't want to be their true self. Sickening. Kiss my effing teeth. Any other man did this, any more man did that, you wouldn't hear the end of it because that was the effing reason. Because what was the effing reason for that? Piss me off, man. So it goes to show, fellas, can I talk to Uno? Because Uno believes that every woman I see him, bro, and every woman I see him, and every woman up all the fuckery. I believe there are more good woman in the world than fucked up woman. There's no way you can, because I believe that there is more good people in general. So there's more good men and there's more good women than fucked up men and fucked up women. Because if everybody did bad as Uno claim it to be, this world would be over. But you know, over though, we still here function though. That is it. So the fucked up individuals are feed them vice at the loudest. Feed them vice at the loudest. Just like how people who are in shitty relationships, them post the most, them go on like them are the happiest couple. When the really happy couples, them just a bill, I eat ice cream at the couch, have movie night, them have date night, them do but them thing low key. It's crazy. So and all of the woman them pick up with the fucker shadow. Now have CEO Spencer right there so say, sue her for revenge porn. That shit is not funny. If it was a man showing her doing the same thing on social media, everybody would be at his door with a cutlass. Eh? Beautifully Flawed said, if a man did this, it would be a very big problem. It's not a good look. And Akeem said, grown ass woman, by the way. Those are the actions. And I'm not saying what Demarco did was good to saying, yo, dog, I'm phone last. But what he did is nowhere as dangerous as what 630 did. 630, you did him dirty. You were not kind or flirty. You show a picture if you try hurty. No, mama, you're dirty. 630, why you do it? 630.
I want you to squeeze your blood clot throat.
That the marker say right, you know the fans them do?
Ain't no wicked son.
630, why you do it? That is crazy and disrespectful and dangerous at the same time. When I make these videos, people, I don't want to feel like I'm investing and I'm picking sides. Again, I said I don't care about Demarco and Renee 6. I don't. But why I'm making this video about these two is because the double standard is real and I don't like it. So if you agree or disagree, let me know in the comment section. You understand me? I say you don't know say one nation and I'm our nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Oh. 6:30, what you doing?